So for this lesson, I picked the KWL worksheet for the instructor-centered activity. This way that the kids are still listening to me, but they can still write things down and stay focused and have something to do while they're listening. For the interactive piece, I did hands-on, and the students will practice with one another. They'll be able to pick their own partner and focus on dribbling or passing with one another. For individualized, I'll have students practice on their own and they'll practice overhead throw against the wall. And for experimental, it's going to be game time. And what I mean by this is that students are going to be able to apply all their skills that they learned in class and make them think about how they want to do it and develop leadership skills within the process. This is what the KWL worksheet looks like. It's what you know, so the students will write down what they know before beginning the lesson, what they want to know. This is kind of a topic or an idea to look over for myself to see what the kids are interested in learning. And then after that, I'll do my lesson, and then I'll have the kids write down what they learned from the lesson that I just taught. This has definitely helped me look for the future and how I want to plan activities, because being a physical education teacher, I really don't think about anything that's literature based, and I really feel like that's the direction that class may be heading towards this year if I have to go into the classroom. And with COVID, it has definitely changed a lot of different things. The school year has already gotten pushed back now, and I'm interested on how we're going to teach online, because we tried teaching online at the end of the school year and I had 0 student interaction. I've tried different fun activities like asking them to do Tabatas and have them send me their scores, and I would send them prizes. And so if even anyone else has some ideas that they'd be glad to share, I'm here to listen and take them, because I really want my students to be interacting with me over this next year.